Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the chart of CHFJPY. CHFJPY has come to this level. It has not broken this level. This was not any level. Before this, earlier this was the level, but when the pair came down to this level, this was a broken level. Due to broken level, this pair came directly downward. If this would have been a level, it would have sent it back after penetration. This is happens in this market all the time. For example, when will you watch Australian dollar JPY? It has touched the level, broken the level, then went back. But from here it came directly downward. This did not work as a level. This was a level earlier that was broken. If you watch my video, CHFJPY video analysis, in which I had told that now this level is broken and this pair will come downward quick. These are the words in my that analysis. That analysis I will attach in the link. I will be given in the description. Now this is going downward, and this is the level that is expected that this pair will reach. But this is for December. If the January comes, in the January, this also could be the resistance, because the Bank of Japan has tweaked its policy, has done nothing much more. They have increased the asset purchases from January. So in the January, in the market, JPY will be available too much. So JPY is expected to be bearish in JPY currency itself will be bearish in all pairs in January. It is expected, and as the things goes on, I will keep you updated. Now let us see CHFJPY. Now CHFJPY is also expected to go to the same 15 minutes that according to my analysis, Australian dollar JPY went up, and I am expecting that it will fall down from there. So now let us see the 15-minute market. Now let me remove this. This is removed now. Now we are going to watch the 15 minutes market. Now in the 15 minutes, this is the level. After falling these 15 minutes, then one of the 15 minutes went up, and this is that level. There is high probability that this will go up to the this level. I don't know why it has made so much late. So it is possibility that it could be down from here. I don't exactly know, because this is a very uncertain market. We cannot say anything with certainty. This can fall also from here. Maybe, I don't know, because it has waste too much time in going upward. So I have a bit doubt that it will go up, because there is a 4-hour wick. Let me explain it here. There is a 4-hour wick. I want to make it a bit wide. Now this is a 4-hour wick, and sometimes the 4-hour wicks also reject the markets. And a main thing that there is no level, such level. This is just the retracement. This is not level. This is a broken level. Previous level broken. it was the level broken that this pair came directly downward. Otherwise, if this would have been a level, it would have left sent it a bit back. This pair would have been able to only break level up to here only. Then it was very important. This market moves the way it could go, but it came directly down because this was a broken level, not a level. But now, as this is not any level, so maybe it is my doubt that it won't be able to. Let me put a horizontal line. uh, this is the line. This is the wick of the 4 hour. As there was no such strong level that could uh, force it to go up to these 15 minutes. So I am in doubt whether it will come down from here or whether it could go up to here. But I don't see now. Maybe if anyone who wants to trade for entry here, it is also possible, and wait for going up to these 15 minutes, then it also can wait. It is also the option. But I don't know why I'm feeling like this 4 hour wick is working as the resistance and sending it downward. Now let's see what happens. But whether anyone enters here or enters here, stop loss be the same. This is a swing trade, so accordingly this stop loss will be at the same place above these 15 minutes. We cannot take any risk because I don't think that it will go there, but this is for December. January, if this pair stays here or maybe come down up to this level only, I don't know. But after the first week of January, it is high probability that yen pairs in all yen pairs, yen is going to fall. Whether there is a possibility of any weak currency, but so I don't know what will happen, whether it will go up to here or is going down from here. And stop loss be, what am I doing now? Stop loss be put here, not here. Okay. Entry, if there is a chance, if you want to take more profit, then wait for this entry also. I don't know what will happen, because these 4 hours, I'm feeling like that this 4 hour wick is going to reject it, because it has taken too much time to reach there. It is very delayed. I don't know whether it goes up to this level or not. There is a doubt in my mind, because it has not touched any level here. This is just a simple retracement. Level is very much down. This is not a level. Okay. Now, if we put here or here the take profits, there are the take profits. This is the main level, and it is high probability that this pair will come down to this level, then maybe consolidate here and then go upward. We can't say anything right now. When the pair comes here, I will analyze it and I will let you know. Now entry is possible here also, here also. It is all up to you, that how much risk you can afford to. But this is the first TP, then second TP. These are the TP levels. This is the stop loss level. Now let me put the short position here. Short position. Where is this? This is the short position. Okay. Now it's all up to whether you for example, we are entering here as a short position, or let me put here. Now it's all up to you. And first TP here at this level, and second TP at this level. Okay, and stop loss above this wick. I hope I tried my best to analyze it and make things clear for you, because in my analysis I try my best not to confuse things, that it can go here, it can go there. I try my best, and please let me know in the comments what do you feel of my these analysis. Do you feel comfortable with them? Do you like them? If you like these my analysis, please like my this video, subscribe my channel, and comment on my video and share with others. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis.